Welcome to Hear Yourself for yet another hot topic of current times, hobbies at home and the need for acoustics. During these virus times, the new normal for hobbies is online tutorials from home.
So the next word is sea. Okay. So here आते हैं ये मौसम नदी का as you go to किनारा it becomes sea. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to and then again come back to
In previous episodes of Hear Yourself, we have covered work from home, homeschooling, and home theatre entertainment, apart from home acoustics in general. And this time is hobbies at home. Well, home is where the action is, and hence home acoustics, all aspects of it, assume a lot of importance in these times. Even when the virus goes away, home acoustics will remain a permanent asset for your home as a value and as a comfort for every member of the family. Teachers and students, and even the parents of the students, don't want external noises annoying the online classes.
My singing would sound so much better without background noise and with good acoustics. I need acoustics.
शांति से योगा करने के लिए अकॉस्टिक्स की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। घर में अच्छा अकॉस्टिक होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। My keyboard practice would be much better with acoustics. I need acoustics.
Just for noise isolation, you have to install an AC if you don't already have one, and then shut all the doors and windows to cut off the external noises. This would be also good for inter-room noise isolation so that other members of the family in their own rooms can work from home or hobbies at home at the same time so that there is no distraction and no annoyance.
Please mute your mic. Tutorial hobbies from home means acoustics. Yes, it means acoustics.
But external noise cutoff is only a small part to the acoustic story. Sometimes noise isolation is not so effective because the external noises are not entirely under your control.
Oof, not again. I can't work with someone dancing on my head. I need acoustics.
If I practice dance, my neighbors downstairs complain. I sure need acoustics.
Hence, the bigger part of the acoustic story is sound absorption. Sound absorption is about cutting the echo or reverb time, as we call it in acoustics, and the side benefits are that any external noises that intrude in are also quickly absorbed. You don't want the sound that you produce, like music, or blaring the Bluetooth speaker that would echo and create the cacophony in the room.
My piano notes would sound better with good acoustics. Yes, I need acoustics.
This room has bad acoustics. Recording my performances need acoustics. Yes, I need good acoustics.
Kids can be using headphones, but prolonged use of headphones can be uncomfortable. They can cause fatigue and also ear infections. Kids would be using the headphones for music and social media at other times of the day. Definitely, prolonged use of headphones is not desirable, and hence the need for room acoustics. The same applies to teachers too. Teachers would want to host online classes in their homes in a quiet ambience. Both the teachers and the students would want to hear each other attentively so as not to repeat, as online classes have time limitations.
My exercise would be more energetic if I could play the music louder, but I don't have acoustics. I need acoustics.
So how is it all done? How many acoustic panels do you think you need so that it sounds just right for your room? Check out your room size and leave all the acoustical engineering to Anutone. From extra small to extra large, we have categorized the room sizes. Long story short, you just need to buy that many boxes of acoustic panels from Anutone's eShop. Please click on the link given in the description below. This is acoustics in a box. Everything that you need is included. It's DIY, do it yourself, or even your local carpenter can install them in a few hours. You can choose your colors, fabrics, or even a favorite image that can be digitally transferred to the surface of the acoustic panel without loss of sound absorption values. If you don't believe me, just install your home rugs on the walls and see a difference, and then go for the acoustic panels from Anutone. Such a soothing ambience, such a quiet environment, just what you needed. Now the teacher and the student both can focus on the online classes, and the parents can be worry-free. No distraction, no annoyance. Parents, teachers and kids all are happy.
My drums will sound better with good acoustics. Yes, I need home acoustics.
Hobbies at home would never have been easier with Anutone acoustics.
আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে ও গো বিদেশিনী। I think my karaoke singing would sound better and clearer with some acoustics. I sure do need some acoustics. তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ও গো বিদেশিনী।
And if you missed our previous videos, do visit our website, and under the media tab you'll find them all. Just to make sure that you receive the videos in future, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and until the next episode of Hear Yourself, bye bye.